Today we will see Tally Prime most useful shortcut keys. Okay, so let's start. First we will see in gateway of Tally screen. F1 open help menu, Alt G open go to menu, Alt K open company menu, Alt Y open data backup menu, Alt Z open exchange menu, Alt O open import data menu, Alt E open export data menu, Alt P open print menu. Now we will see in Tally common uses shortcut keys. F3 select company, F2 change current date, Alt F2 change period date, F11 open company features menu, F12 open configuration menu, escape key go back to previous screen, Alt F1 close current company, Alt F3 open company info menu, Control Q exit screen without saving, Alt D delete entry, Alt 4 quit Tally, Control A save screen, Control Q exit screen, Control R remove entry from report, Control Enter alter master in report, Control N open and hide calculator, Control Alt R repair of company, Shift Enter expand information in report, Control Alt A select deselect all lines in report, space select deselect line in report, Control Alt Home select deselect all lines till top, Control Shift and select deselect lines and home and move top move end, Control and move to last field. Now we will see in voucher entry screen shortcut. F4 open contra voucher, F5 open payment voucher, F6 open receipt voucher, F7 open general voucher, F8 open sales voucher, F9 open purchase voucher, Alt F6 and F7 open credit note debit note, Alt 2 create duplicate voucher, Alt C create ledgers, Alt R repeat narration, Control H change mode, Control T post dated entry, Control C copy value from Tally, Control V paste value in Tally, Alt F7 open stock journal menu. Okay friends, so try these shortcuts while you work in Tally. Also tell me on which topic should I create a video, which would you like. Goodbye for now.